Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing a outdoor smart heater. I picked this thing up on Amazon, and from what I can tell it's really high quality. Can work off of your smartphone with the app, and you'll be able to control it and set the temperature, timing, and everything from the app. So I wanted something that was just easy to use. We do have the winter months coming, and we just wanted something outdoors where we could still enjoy time out there with the pets or barbecuing or whatever it may be. Just have a little bit of more warmth outside. And it was something that was small enough to mount on the side of the house, and that's just what I was interested in, rather than, you know, setting a big like heating tank in the middle of your patio. So let's take a look at the product here. What we have is the Pasapair outdoor heater. It has 4 heating level settings, a auto off timer, an overheat protection system, Wi-Fi control connectivity, and a coverage area that does a pretty good amount of space. LED display, and it does come with a remote control, so if you don't use the app, it comes with the control that you can use for the product. So I'm going to unbox this thing and show you guys what comes in there. Alright, in this bag we have the mounting hardware. It looks like this is going to be 4 different plates you're going to put on the wall, and it will hold your heater up. We have the accessory package here that comes with the instruction manual, the large remote, and some mollies to put into the wall. Also includes batteries, which is nice because a lot of products do not give you those. Alright, so here is the heater. Nice coil in the middle here that's gonna give you all the heat you need. Power cable is a nice long length. It is a grounded cable, so gonna prevent any sort of electrical failure. Cable appears to be about 6 feet in length, and it looks like we want to remove these foam protectors. So these just slide right out. So here is the product in its entirety. Back side of it, very narrow, so it's going to sit up nicely against the wall. I'm going to get this thing set up, turn it on, and we'll just give it a go. I'll let you guys know the quality of the heater and how well it does outdoors. Alright, so this is the product all mounted. We just put it on the front porch here. It is waterproof, but we figured we put it underneath where it won't get rained or snowed on, because we do get 4 seasons here. Got the remote. Gonna try to power it on here. It does have an LED display on the side, blinking on the phone, but not in person. Has 4 levels of heat, and you'll see the coils kick on. Heats up right away, nice and toasty. And you can see those coils turning red. This is the hottest temperature it can go. Yeah, very nice, very warm. It's gonna be great out here. Alright, so hopefully you guys liked the video. If you do want to pick one of these up for yourself, I will have a link for the product in the description below, so go ahead and check that out. If you guys liked the video, of course hit the like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.